Welcome. In this video, we are looking at shaping your knitting by using decreases. Decreases are used to shape knitting, for example, at an armhole or a neck hole. Decreases may also be used as part of a textured or lace stitch, where each decrease is usually balanced out by a corresponding increase. Different methods of decreasing produce stitches that slope in different directions. By decreasing stitches within the body of your knitting instead of at the edges, the total width of your work is reduced in a similar way to that of sewing a dart in fabric. There are many ways to work a decrease, but in this video I will concentrate on knitting stitches together. I will cover other methods in future videos. Okay, now you know what a decrease is. Let's look at how to perform a knit two together. I will start with the English style example. With your working yarn in your right hand, insert the tip of your right needle into the front leg of the second stitch on the left needle. Then keep going into the first stitch as well. Next, wrap the yarn counterclockwise around the right needle. Then pull the yarn back through both stitches and allow them to fall off the left needle, just as you would a single stitch. I'll show you that again. Insert your needle into the two stitches, wrap your yarn and pull back through, slipping both stitches off the needle. Now, let's look at the continental style. With your working yarn in your left hand, insert the tip of your right needle into the second stitch on the left needle and keep going through to the first stitch. Pick up your yarn and pull it back through both stitches and slip them off the needle. Do that again. Insert the needle into both stitches, pick up your yarn, pull it back through and slip the old stitches off the needle. Time to take a closer look at this stitch. When identifying the stitch in your work, you are looking for where two columns of stitches merge into one. You will see that the left hand stitch is laying on top of the right one, making the stitch slant to the right. When reading this stitch in a pattern, you will see that the stitch is written K2TOG, where the K stands for knit, the 2 shows how many stitches are being used, and the TOG is the abbreviation of together. Let me know what project you will be using this stitch for, and if you found this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe.